Today I want to talk to you a little bit about wood restoration, exterior wood restoration, and going beyond the norm. Everybody's looking for cleaners, strippers, chemicals, all kinds of stuff to restore wood and think that's it. You know, that's the only way we're going to get coatings off is strip and so forth. Sometimes there's a lot more involved, and we've done some videos with sanding and different sanders and floor sanders. One of the other ways though is mechanical, and we've done some with media blasting. Vapor blasting is an option. But today I want to talk to you a little bit about attachments that come with, and I'm in my shop today, I'm cleaning up, I figured I'd do this video today, of an attachment called Dymabrush. Okay? Now Dymabrush, not all of them are Dymabrush, but basically what we do is we plane the wood from one side. Instead of taking the wood off, run it through a planer, we plane it from the top. Okay? So this is an attachment, has blades in it. Come a little closer to the video. Has the blades. This can be used on a larger scale like this, like on a deck floor. It's great at taking over those terrible coatings that are hard to get off, like Deck Over, Deck Rescue, and so forth. They're the ones that are gritty. They have ceramic microspheres in them, don't strip off very well. Really the bane of anybody doing this kind of work over the last few years, because they're putting a solid product on wood that's constantly expanding, contracting, and moving. And they've been told over and over that it's not going to work. But, you know, if you got to sell something, you got to sell something. In the meantime, somebody gets, you know, technically they get screwed because they put this on an older deck thinking it's going to extend the life, and actually it's the kiss of death. Because now that it won't come off, now they do have to replace it. So we could, if the deck is salvageable, is use the planer and use this to go right over top of the wood. It takes off the coatings and so forth. Now that's one attachment. They have a smaller version too. You could use on a smaller profile siding, like 4-inch cedar siding. But that's not all. Not only do they make them in this style, but they also make them that go on a floor buffer. Okay, and these can be used the same way. Okay, same thing. They have the blades, and it's actually sold as coating removal tool right on it. Okay, and this will take the coatings off as well. So my point being is this is a little more expensive. It's the next level type stuff, but just want to let you know there are other options out there than just stripping, just chemicals and so forth. And sometimes you have to use these type of things. So we talk about things like, you know, coatings that are hard to get off, maybe docks, waterways, things around waterways we can't use. There's other options available. It's not always chemical, sometimes mechanical. Takes a little elbow grease, a little bit of work. Next level exterior wood restoration. I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Hopefully it's something you haven't heard of. Subscribe to the channel. Check out some of the other